In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam corrupt download. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do once you've got Steam opened is, first of all, you want to come up and click onto your games library. So a couple of methods I'm going to show you to fix this, so make sure to watch this the whole way through. Now the first fix is once you're on your games library, if you come to the game on the left hand side that you're having this error problem with, and what you want to do is basically right click onto the game. You're going to get this menu come up and then come and click onto properties. Now once the properties window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto installed files. Then what you need to do is click here where it says verify integrity of game files, and what it's going to do is check to make sure there's no damaged or corrupted files. Now it can take a couple of minutes to complete. If there's any corrupted or damaged files, then Steam's going to attempt to repair this. Of course, once the process has finished, you can now try and see if that fixes the problem. For the second fix, if that didn't work for you, what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click on Steam, and on this menu come and click onto settings. Then once you're in your settings, come over to the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto downloads, and on the download screen you want to come down to where it says clear download cache. So as you can see, it says clearing the download cache may resolve the issues downloading or starting apps. So if you click the button here to clear cache, what's going to happen, you're going to get a pop-up confirmation like this, and you can see it says that this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam, but you will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? So at this point, what you're going to want to do is click on to confirm. As mentioned, what's going to happen is Steam is going to restart. So you will need to log into your Steam account again, so make sure you do make a note of your password before confirming. But once that's done, that should now fix your problem and stop the corrupt download problem. So that is how to fix Steam corrupt download. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.